At Les Cours Medical Centre, our highly regarded surgical team focuses on several of the most common kinds of hernia. The inguinal or pelvic hernia is a protrusion of a part of the abdomen into a canal located in the groin near the pelvis. These hernias are far more common among men, and in fact, nearly 1 in 4 men may develop one during their lifetime. The hiatal hernia forms at the opening of the diaphragm where the esophagus or food pipe joins the stomach. A part of the stomach pushes through that opening. Lastly, the ventral or abdominal hernia occurs when part of the abdomen pushes through the wall of the muscle that usually contains it.